it is. It's alive.
It's been driven.
Yep. It's alive.
Today, we're going to take the LS out. With the recent success we had with the Fairmont Futura, I think that a cooler package in the station wagon will be a Vortec 4200 with a turbo. Today we're going to start a new project. This project is a little different than what you guys are used to seeing in that it is not EFI and the engine is rather old. This is my dad's 1954 Studebaker. He built the car originally for land speed racing and it has set around 18 land speed records along the East Coast, both in Loring, Maine and in Maxton, North Carolina. The fastest that the car has been is 179 miles per hour, but what you're going to see today is the beginning of switching the car over to a drag car. So let's get started. Last time we drove the car was July 31st, 2010, and we set a record at 177 miles an hour on that very last run. We set 4 records that day. They were all in the upper 170s, but the last time I drove this car, July 31st, 2010, was at 177 miles an hour.
Today's September 4th.
I was thinking of Cameron's birthday, sorry.
Yeah.
But it's gonna
Calvin knows how he rates.
You don't even remember me.
Oh no.
Yeah, worthless son number 2.
Yeah, you're son
I'm
number
just
2.
number 2. You're number 2.
Alright, you hop in.
For too many. No. Never
Power on.
Ready?
You need
That's
more
good.
gas.
Look at that. Beautiful. Holy cow.
Good job.
Alright guys, well, it's time to introduce another project. And this one's going to be pretty special. So this is a 1957 Chevy, and I've wanted one of these basically since birth. My dad had a 1956 when I was young, and I always loved that car. That was probably my favorite car when I was growing up that my dad had.
The 1956 Chevrolet. They got chain pant. What is that, about 85 a quarter? I'll tell you what, Shane caught a good money, and Andy will have to hustle to catch him. He couldn't catch him. 12:01 the winning time, 57.5. Andy ran an 850, 82.4.
Until he got the 54 Studebaker, then that became my new favorite, but I always loved that 56. So I'm not going to spoil everything about the car. I hope you guys are excited about it as I am. Make sure you like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.
See you in the next one. Make sure you like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.